Hey everyone, this is Yogesh. Welcome to my channel Utilize Your Business. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to get started with Legendary Marketer. All those people who wants to get going with Legendary Market but doesn't know how to start it or which is the best way to get started with Legendary Market, this is the video for you. Stick around till the end of the video. I'm going to show you two different ways you can start it and which one is better. You get a lot of values for your investment and the investment is not that great. So stick around. So all the affiliates out there or anybody who wants to become an affiliate probably heard of Legendary Marketer. Run by David Sharp. And if you're into a high ticket affiliate offer, Legendary Marketer is the way to go. Now, how to get started with Legendary Marketer? It's not as easy as some of the other programs where you can get started with affiliate marketer. The way to get started with Legendary Marketer is two different ways. The first one is the 15-day online business builder challenge, and the second is the ebook that just released by David Sharp. It's called the Affiliate Domination Formula. So you have to join in at either of those two to get started, and then after that apply it as a application to become an affiliate of Legendary Marketer. So how to get started and where to go, stick around. Next video I'm going to show you the difference between these two programs and which is the best one for you to get started. So now let's talk about the first way to get started with Legendary Marketer, their 15-day online business builder challenge. This is the landing page, and it talks about for people who want to start a profitable online business and have no idea where to begin, and it's to also talk about the high ticket commission, i.e. Legendary Market. And this is the way you get started. All you have to do is click here, which to get the instant access, and you have to put in your email name, right? And then you click and going, and the next page is where you will they ask you for your credit card info. Now this challenge is for $7, and believe me, it's worth more than the $7. So people who wants to know more about this, I did a YouTube video which reviews all about the 15-day builder challenge, so I'm not going to go a little bit more into it. So there will be a link below in the description with to my other YouTube video. You can go ahead, click that, and get an in-depth review on this 15-day challenge. So this is the first way of doing it. The second way of getting it too, and the one that I really liked it, and you get a lot more value, and on top of that, you get this challenge as a bonus, so you don't have to pay much. So that one is their ebook, which is the Affiliate Domination Formula. Now this is written by David Sharp. It tells you a little bit more about what the ebook is. The amazing thing about the ebook is it's only $1.99. Yes, you heard it. It's only $1.99. You get the ebooks. You get the free access. Yes, right here, the free access to the 15-day online business builder challenge. So rather than paying $7, if you just want to join Legendary Market through the 15-day online challenge, from this one you only pay $1.99 and you're getting a free access to the 15-day challenge, which is a lot more value. And that's why I suggest and recommend people to go into and buy the ebook and then get into the Legendary Marketer. Now don't worry about the links, they'll be in the description. Just wait and I'll tell you a little bit more about what else you get in there. So within the 15-day online business builder, you get a one-on-one business plan consultant who actually calls you, and during the 15-day challenge, you guys talk about the business, how you want to build your online business, and to also talk about the free affiliate domination, the ads, the email. If you want to when you want to promote this as an affiliate, you get all that. People want to know, like, $1.99, how much it's actually, what actually you get in the ebook, which is it's about 80 pages. So it's not a little bit of 1 or 2 pages. So the 80 pages differentiate into 3 different parts. The first one is the foundation to success, then the affiliate domination formula, and then the foundation to longevity of your business. So, and these are all written by David Sharp himself. Now, you want to know a little bit more about in-depth about ebook, what it is all about. surprise, surprise, I did another YouTube video. The link will be in the description. You can click the link and get to know a little bit more about in-depth look on, review on the ebook. Let's talk about all the free bonuses in the 90 page. And on top of that, now you're spending $199 investment and there's still a 30-day guarantee on your money back. What else you need? And you can get started with legendary marketing. This is a win-win situation for you guys. So anybody interested in it, wants to get started with it, for only $199 you get the ebook. On top of that, you get the access to the 15-day business builder challenge, and within the challenge you get the one-on-one meeting with the business consultant. All of that you get for $199. So guys, if you're interested in it, want to start legendary market with their high ticket affiliate program, this is the way to get started, where you're only spending $199. You're getting all this bonus as a bonus and a value of close to $1,000, and you can know a little bit more about your affiliate marketing. What are you fit for affiliate marketing? And on top of that, you get the ebook written by David Sharp himself. So link is in the description. I highly recommend you to at least look at it. Go through the ebook, go through the 15-day challenge. It's only $2, and all it takes is your time. And once you go through the challenge, you'll know exactly how where you stand in the online marketing and how you can run a profitable business in the online marketing. All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching this. And if you have any comment, do put it in the comment section. And make sure you like it, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and stick around for more videos coming up. Thanks, guys.